Hello guys and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I wanted to make a video earlier today because I was shocked, guys. I had to sit down and I thought I have to make a video right now, and I had a business meeting and I was thinking of canceling it because I needed to make a video for you guys. In the end I had to take the meeting. I'm so sorry, but today I need to address something very important, guys. That's the following. Those scammers and the scams, they are getting out of control. Really, they're getting out of control, so I need to warn you all. There has been a live stream made by scammers, and they told in this live stream that a Ripple settled at the SEC, and that Ripple, the company, was giving away free XRP to everybody that sent X amount of XRP to them. That's a complete scam, guys. Please don't send your crypto anywhere. Even if I am in this video begging you for your XRP, don't give it. Don't trust even your mother. Dear friends, don't even trust your mother, okay? Don't trust anyone here in this space, because it's too risky to send crypto to people that you don't know. Please. I also talk in the comment section with you guys. I answer sometimes, but I never answer through sending my phone number or saying contact me through WhatsApp. Please, guys, please. Okay, the one thing I can confirm is that I saw a comment. This comment was from Ben Shiki, and he said, hey, I'm also about to play Warzone, let's go. Okay, and I said, okay, let's do it, bro, and I will add him and we will play some Warzone. I just got victory, so I am crazy. Whoa, look at this. Watch out here live again. We have to watch out for the live streams where they tell you we are giving away free stuff. Send us crypto, you will receive double. That's a complete lie. Please be warned. I cannot emphasize that enough, guys. In the comment section today, I read a story about somebody that said, bro, I'm devastated. I'm devastated because I sent 15k XRP to those scammers, and he immediately after he sent it saw that it was a scam and realized it, and he was devastating. And he was devastated, guys. He was so sad, and he commented in the comment section, and my heart just hurted, guys. Really, please take care. Please watch out for me. Even if you don't care for yourself, please watch out for me. Okay, because by acting like this, by answering to those scammers, by not deleting them, by not reporting them, we give them hope, we give them a way of scamming us. If they try to scam us 100 times but without results, they will stop. They will do something else. Okay, they will scam their own mothers, but they will not scam us, guys. Please, really. Okay, so here, anyone seen the scam earlier for the XRP giveaway? Really, please watch out. And you know what, when I go, for example, to another video of mine, I look at this video, then the rich stay richer by spending like the poor and invested without. Shut up. Like, this is a huge scam here. They're even talking with each other, the scammers. I have to delete this, and I'm trying to delete everything, but it's getting out of control, and it will get much worse, guys, because we will see all-time highs, we will see extreme bullish prices, and if you lose your crypto, guys, you will not forgive yourself. Okay, the RGX algorithm, no scam. Okay, the Google algorithm scam. Here, watching this video was like an acid trip. Okay, that's not a scam, but this. Thanks for the comment. For further assistance, scam. Love the music. Thanks for the comment. Scam. Okay. Why worry about a quote if there is an algorithm? That's a scam. And this is a scammer writing and commenting to the scammer who's trying to scam the scamming scammer. That's crazy, guys, okay? And other lovely participants in the XRP army, the very kind XRP holders that are listening to my video, they get angry. They say, you crazy crypto violin, why are you deleting in the comment section the comments? Like here. Watch this, guys. Leave your comment section alone. Just because you disagree should not be the reason to delete others. Please do not censor opinions. I agree with you, but I also see some fidelity in some of the comments. Evan, brother, please. I'm deleting the scammers, okay? Let's watch what a scam video looks like. This is a scam video.
That a lot of uncertainty remains, and I think this downturn.
So, the voice of Brett Garlinghouse.
This is an expression.
This can be live.
You know, my roots having grown up in Kansas.
And here it says, if we see it very closely, if you send 5,000 XRP, you will get 10,000 XRP back. If you send 10,000 XRP, you will get 20,000 XRP back. If you send 50,000 XRP, you will get 100,000 XRP back. If you said, no, you will not get anything back. You will be scammed. So watch out, guys, okay? That being said, guys, we're almost halfway through the video, but I wanted to show you some bullishness. First of all, Ripple announces pilot testing for private XRP ledger. Very bullish article from cryptodaily.uk. The global blockchain and cryptocurrency payment company recently announced that it is set to create a private version of the public open source XRP ledger. This decision is made to provide central banks with a secure, controlled and flexible solution for managing and issuing digital currencies. Ripple Labs Inc. operates Ripple as a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange and remittance network. Based in the US, the technology company first released its solution in 2012 with XRP as its native digital asset. It also supports tokens that reflect fiat, crypto and commodities. The company is known for connecting disparate payment systems utilizing blockchain technology to solve global payment challenges. We believe the solution will overcome the major challenges around creating and managing a sovereign digital currency, while amplifying the value and benefits for central banks, their partners and all above the millions of people who will use it, said Ripple in its official announcement. To date, a majority of central banks across various nations in around the globe are developing forms of sovereign-backed cryptocurrencies. Through these central bank digital currencies, CBDC initiatives, opportunities to implement this technology are now open for everyone to participate in. Ripple's initiative is aimed at helping central banks around the world to assess and achieve their economy-specific strategies. Ripple is working to enable central banks to achieve settlement interoperability through a network of CBDC ledgers. The company claims that it is working on such a solution where, with sovereign central bank operating digitally, the monetary and technological asset of each participating central bank will be respected as independent. Leveraging XRP ledger technology's core consensus protocol, the CBDC private ledger can effectively accommodate transactions at scale, given how it is a strategic implementation of Ripple's own technology. The CBDC private ledger is natively designed for issuing currencies, including all 5,400 currencies issued on the XRP ledger, as well as Ripple's native XRP, functioning as a neutral bridge asset for frictionless value transfers at scale. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, guys! Do you realize this? So 5,400 currencies will be bridged and all the private CBDCs will be bridged by the neutral bridge asset, the neutral, juicy, sexy bridge asset XRP, guys. That's amazing. So what does that mean? This means, guys, that the XRP you're holding in your wallet is much more valuable, guys, because it will bridge them all. It will be the mother of all assets, guys, and we are owning it. It's amazing. I don't know how much XRP you own, but that's good, Because I think with this rate, with these use cases, and with this mass adoption, guys, we will see 100, maybe $200, $300 XRP. I think this is very possible. Okay, and you're saying, yeah, but Crypto Island, no, that's not possible because of the market cap and it will be too much and I will become too rich and I don't want to become rich. I want to stay poor like everybody else. No, why? Why do you want to stay poor, my friend? Why? Just because it has never been done doesn't mean it will never be done. Okay? So, this means that we, the XRP holders, are very early, and Ripple the company will do something that has never been done. Change the way payments are being made. We are owning the future of payments, guys. XRP will bridge them all. That's why they want us to sell it. Maybe XRP will be deemed a security and everybody will sell it. Everybody will be scared. Everybody will run away because they don't want you to hold it. They don't want the ordinary investor to hold something that will bridge all the CBDCs. Why would you hold it? Get shaken out. Sell all of your XRP. They don't want you to hold it. The rich bankers don't want you to hold it. They want you to hold Dogecoin. They want you to hold Bitcoin. They want you to hold Casino Coin. They want you to hold crazy Raven Coin or Penguin Coin or Flamingo Coin. I don't know which coin, but they want you to hold those coins. Those crazy coins that will not go anywhere. Okay? Current statistics for the order of magnitude in which XRP ledger transactions are processed are claimed to be at 1500 transactions per second at a rate of 3.85 settlements per second. The suite of protocols for also enable interledger transactions to allow for high throughout use cases. Okay guys, this is very juicy, and if we look at the XRP USDT chart on the daily, we see that we found support. We found support at the 42 cents region and we are testing the 45 cent resistance here. There's a resistance here, guys, but we are trading in the symmetrical triangle, I think, of course. And if we look at the 3 hourly, we can see that we got a buy for a bull and a golden cross. A juicy golden cross, guys, a golden juicy cross. And every time we got a golden cross, we went up. Okay, there's no other time that we got a golden cross signal and we went down. That's not happened before. Okay, if we look, we went up 160%. This time the golden cross came here, we went up 43%. Here the golden cross came, we went up 20%, and here the golden cross came now, and at least, guys, at least a 60 cent XRP in a couple days, guys. That's what I think. Okay, that's what I think. So that's short term. In the long term, maybe in the midterm, let's say midterm, guys, all-time high. Come on, I don't want to repeat myself. And people in the comments say, yeah, Crypto Vine, you're always repeating yourself. Yeah, of course, because that's the thing. That's the thing I want to share with you. I can make up some things. Every day I will tell you something new. No, but I want to tell you what I believe in and what I think will happen, guys. And that's this. And the Robo is backing me up. And we have to wait till it's backing it up. It's backing my statements up with confirmation with the buy for signal, because we got all the bullish signals here. We will go up because the previous time we got all those signals, we moved 200% here. Look at this. But the sell for that appeared because we sold already off 30% has to disappear again. So I'm waiting of the confirmation for the buy for, and I think this can happen any moment, and then we can see the juicy, the magical $1 mark. This is the golden area, the $1 mark, the juicy $1 mark, guys. I hope you like this video. Please watch out for the scammers. I want you to survive it till we get rich, and I want to have a drink with you guys at the Bahamas or at Monaco, where I bring my yacht and we have an amazing party and I play something on my violin. That would be amazing, guys. Okay, keep this in mind. Visualize every day, visualize and write down your goals, guys. That's what I want you to do. If you like the content provided, please like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment in the comment section, but beware of the scammers, and have an amazing day, guys. Bye bye.